Unlike some of our competition who threw on an intake on their truck for all of 5 minutes before forming an opinion on it, we here at Stage 3 have put tens of thousands of miles on the cold air intakes installed on our project trucks and have put them through their paces in every terrain and climate imaginable. Since all cold air intake kits for the 2011 to 2014 F150 EcoBoost give you about the same power and airflow, our favorites were the ones that best handled the abuse we put them through without giving us a ton of hassles. Our absolute favorite intake for the 2011 to 14 EcoBoost is the Smb Cold Air Intake. This intake comes at a great price and has high quality construction and provides more than adequate airflow for both tuned and bone stock trucks. Each kit uses silicone couplers and filter assemblies which are far more durable and long-term reliable than polyurethane. The only downside is that Smb does not offer a dry reusable filter. They only have an oiled or dry disposable variant. For the price, you just can't beat this intake kit. Our next favorite is the Banks Ram Air Cold Air Intake Kit. While this kit does not give you a true ram air system, it does have an inlet scoop that runs towards your F150's hood to help pull in cooler air. The Banks intake also has extremely beefy and high quality couplers and T-bolt clamps, which make it perfect for anyone concerned about the durability while they flog their truck off-road. Banks offers both a dry and oiled reusable filter variant, which is nice. The only downsides to this kit are minor. 1. It can be a bit fiddly to install the airbox assembly, and 2. The airbox needs to be completely disassembled to access the filter for maintenance. Still, the Banks kit is a great choice that will handle just about anything. Our third favorite intake is the AFE Stage 2 Cold Air Intake series. These dual filter intakes look incredible under the hood and have one of the most ferocious intake sounds that we've heard on a truck. AFE also offers 3 different filter options, which gives you the chance to find the perfect kit for your application. Unlike the Smb and Banks intakes, AFE makes individual part numbers for the 2011 F150s and the 2012 to 2014 F150s, so make sure you choose the correct one. Aside from the model year split, the only major downsides to the AFE kit is that their couplers are not the strongest thing in the world and are sensitive to over-tightening, and this intake kit is also up there in price range. That being said, if you want a loud and aggressive intake with a ton of options, the AFE kit is your winning ticket. If you're ready to purchase any one of these intakes, head over to stage3motorsports.com. Also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and stalk us on Facebook for the latest Stage 3 news and info.